This yacht belongs to a Russian oligarch. Yes, a Russian oligarch called Alexei Mordashov. Yes, he is an ally of the Russian President Vladimir Putin. Yes, he's a friend and an ally. Now, this yacht was seen cruising right in Cape Town. Yes, and the mayor of Cape Town has called, the attention of President Ramaphosa, yes, the president of South Africa, to ban it. Because according to him, it's against the sanction that the US and the European Union have given to Russia. But President Ramaphosa is a bit hesitant and saying that South Africa has no obligation, yes, to really ban that yacht. Because, it has nothing to do with somebody cruising, okay, in Cape Town using this yacht. Now, a lot of people believe that Ramaphosa is a bit hesitant because he's afraid of the Russian president, and therefore maybe he knows what the Russian president can do. But I believe that it has, a different thing altogether. Yeah, this is a different ball game altogether. I believe that President Ramaphosa is trying to protect the interests of South Africa. Because you see, South Africa and Russia are in a community. In fact, they are not the only two countries. We have the Brazil, we have the China, we have the India, Russia, and South Africa. They form a community, 5-member community called the Brics. Yes, so the idea of this community is to create a unified currency, which probably is going to be a digital one. Okay, and these currencies are going to substitute the dollar and the euro. Okay, because they believe that once they are able to have a unified currency, they are going to be strong and they are going to facilitate transactions between them, because they also have a power. In fact, if you compare China, Russia, South Africa, yes, of course, and India, they have, a huge impact on the world economy. These 5 nations represent 42% of the world's population, 23%, of the world's GDP, 30% of the world's territory, and 18% of global trade. Yes, a lot. So these 5 nations also produce significant portion of the world's resources. 26% of oil, 40% of corn, 46% of wheat. Yes, so they have a lot to offer. Now, the central bank digital currency and the Brics central bank digital currencies, the CBDC, are new type of digital currencies specifically developed for use by central banks of these respective countries. So there is a community, and therefore Ramaphosa should make sure that his actions will not go a long way to affect him. In fact, China is already piloting its CBDC initiative. Russia and Brazil are in the proof of the concept phase. Yes, and of course, India and South Africa are still in the research phase. Yes, in fact, you see, the implementation of the CBDCs offers great opportunity to promote financial inclusion, while also disrupting the traditional banking architecture of these countries. So you realize that I believe that Ramaphosa understands what is meant by international economic relationship. Once you accept to be in a community, yes, okay, for a particular goal, you must protect your interest and also to some extent protect the interest of your partner, especially when it has to deal with external forces. So you can't just wake up and say that, okay, just ban the yacht, okay, cruising in Cape Town, whilst you know that the owner of this yacht is a very great ally of Vladimir Putin, who is a partner, your partner within that community. So, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that this is one of the reasons why, or this is the biggest reason why Ramaphosa will dare not to really ban that yacht, okay, cruising in Cape Town. If you also have any other reason, please drop it in the comment section. Yes, make sure you like this video. If you are not part of this society, please click on the notification bell. We will be bringing you updates of some of these, issue stories across the African continent. We are Hello Africa, where Africa meets. In fact, we also have a community called the Hack Community, hacommunity.com. Here, we have built a web community, Africa's #1 web community for Africans to meet there. It's a secret community, meet there and share ideas, promote businesses, and of course, help ourselves for the future. Okay, so just go to Google, type hackcommunity.com, register, and wait for approval. Thank you until we meet again. Bye.